Imagine walking down a busy street in New York, London, or Berlin. Thousands of people around you, cars moving, phones ringing, conversations happening. You feel anonymous, invisible, just another face in the crowd. But what if you're not invisible at all? What if, at this exact moment, an artificial intelligence system already knows who you are, where you've been, who you talked to, what you searched last night, and even what you might do tomorrow? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Governments around the world are quietly deploying AI systems that can watch, analyze, and predict human behavior at a scale never seen before in human history. And the most shocking part is, most people have absolutely no idea how powerful these systems have already become. Surveillance itself isn't new. Governments have always monitored threats to maintain national security. In the past, surveillance required human agents, physical tracking, and massive manpower. It was slow, expensive, and limited. If someone was being watched, it required real people to follow them, record information, and analyze it manually. This created natural limits. Governments could only watch a small number of individuals at once. But artificial intelligence changed everything. Today, AI can monitor millions of people simultaneously, without getting tired, without making human errors, and without stopping for even a second. Unlike humans, AI never sleeps. It never forgets. And it never loses focus. What makes modern AI surveillance different is its ability to operate automatically. Cameras are no longer just recording video, they are analyzing it in real time. AI systems can detect faces, identify individuals, track movements, and flag unusual behavior instantly. In major cities across the world, from New York to London to Tokyo, thousands of cameras feed data into AI systems that analyze everything continuously. These systems don't just see people. They understand patterns, they recognize identities, they build digital profiles, and they do it silently, in the background, without anyone noticing. Facial recognition is one of the most powerful tools driving this transformation. When a camera captures your face, AI converts your facial features into a unique mathematical signature. This signature is then compared against massive databases containing millions or even billions of identities. Within seconds, the system can determine who you are. It doesn't matter if you've aged, changed your hairstyle, or even partially covered your face. Modern AI systems are incredibly accurate. They analyze bone structure, eye distance, facial proportions, and other unique characteristics that are nearly impossible to disguise completely. This technology is already being used in airports to identify travelers automatically. Instead of showing passports to human officers, AI verifies identities instantly. This makes travel faster and more efficient. But it also means your movements are recorded digitally. The system knows when you arrive, where you go, and when you leave. Over time, this creates a detailed history of your movements. And once that data exists, it can be analyzed in ways most people never imagine. But facial recognition is only the beginning. The real power of AI surveillance comes from combining multiple data sources. Your smartphone constantly generates location data. Every time you use GPS, open an app, or connect to a network, your location is recorded. Your online activity creates another layer of information. What you search, what you watch, what you click, what you buy, even how long you look at something. AI systems can combine all of this data to build a complete digital version of you. A version that knows your habits, preferences, routines, and behavior patterns. This allows AI to do something even more disturbing. It can predict behavior by analyzing patterns. AI can estimate where you are likely to go next, what you are likely to do, and even who you are likely to interact with. For example, if you visit the same locations regularly, AI learns your routine. If you suddenly break that routine, the system notices. It flags unusual activity automatically. No human needs to watch you directly. The AI does it instantly. This predictive ability is already being used in multiple sectors. Law enforcement agencies use AI to identify suspicious patterns. Financial institutions use AI to detect fraud by analyzing unusual spending behavior. Border security systems use AI to analyze traveler patterns and identify potential risks. These systems don't rely on human intuition. They rely on data. Massive amounts of data. But here's where it becomes even more unsettling. AI doesn't just analyze what you do. It analyzes how you behave psychologically, your typing speed, your response patterns, your online interactions, and even the time you are active online can reveal psychological information. AI can detect stress, confidence, hesitation, and emotional states based purely on behavioral data. It can build psychological profiles without ever speaking to you directly. This means AI can identify not just actions, but tendencies. It can estimate how likely someone is to take certain actions in the future. This concept is known as predictive profiling. Instead of reacting to events after they happen, AI predicts potential outcomes before they occur. This shifts surveillance from observation to prediction. And this is a massive shift in how power works in the digital age. Some governments and organizations use AI to assign automated risk scores based on behavior patterns. These scores are generated entirely by algorithms analyzing data. The system evaluates patterns, compares them with historical data, and generates conclusions automatically. No human needs to manually investigate each person. The AI does it faster, and at a much larger scale. What makes this even more powerful is the speed. AI can analyze millions of data points in seconds. What would take humans years to analyze, AI can process instantly. This allows surveillance systems to operate continuously and expand their reach far beyond traditional limitations. But here's the twist most people never realized. The majority of surveillance data isn't collected through secret spying. It's collected voluntarily. Every time you use social media, you provide data. Every time you use navigation apps, you provide data. Every time you shop online, watch videos, or interact with digital services, you generate data. This data becomes part of your digital footprint, and AI uses that footprint to understand you. In other words, modern surveillance doesn't rely on forcing people, it relies on participation. People willingly carry smartphones, use apps, and connect to digital systems every day. These devices act as sensors, constantly generating information. This creates an environment where surveillance happens naturally, without resistance. This doesn't mean AI surveillance is purely negative. It has legitimate benefits. AI helps detect crimes faster. It helps find missing persons. It improves public safety. It helps identify threats before they escalate. It makes systems more efficient. It saves lives in many situations. But like all powerful technologies, it comes with trade-offs. The same technology that protects can also monitor. The same systems that detect threats can analyze ordinary people. The difference lies in how the technology is used, who controls it, and what limits exist. As AI continues to improve, its ability to analyze human behavior will become even more advanced. Future systems will be able to understand human behavior with even greater accuracy. They will detect patterns humans cannot see. They will make predictions humans cannot make. They will operate continuously, silently, and automatically. But the most shocking truth is this. The most powerful surveillance system ever created does not rely on cameras. It relies on data. Your data. Data generated through daily life. Data created by normal activities. Data that feels harmless individually, but becomes powerful when combined. Right now, as you watch this video, your device is generating data. Your location, your activity, your behavior patterns. Not because someone forced you, but because modern digital life makes it normal. This is the reality of the AI-driven world. And this raises a question that every person in the modern world must eventually face. How much privacy exists in a world where machines can see, analyze, and predict human behavior at massive scale? The answer isn't simple, because the technology itself isn't inherently good or bad. It depends entirely on how it is used. Here on Tech Myst, we explore the hidden technologies shaping your future. Technologies that most people use every day without fully understanding. Because understanding these systems gives you awareness, and awareness gives you power. The future of surveillance isn't coming, it's already here, quietly operating, silently learning, constantly evolving. The real question is not whether AI is watching. The real question is how much it already knows. So now I want to ask you something. Do you believe AI surveillance makes the world safer? Or do you think it gives too much power to invisible systems? Share your thoughts in the comments, your perspective matters. And if you want to discover more hidden truths about AI technology, and the future that most people never see, subscribe to Tech Myst and turn on the bell icon, because the next video might reveal something even more shocking.